It's easy to install your new AI presets, AI effects, or AI tools to Lightroom Classic and Lightroom CC. They all install exactly the same, so in this video I'll show you the best methods so you can get started. First things first, make sure you're using your computer to download your new products, not your mobile. They will download in a zipped file, and your computer may or may not automatically unzip it for you. If it doesn't, use your usual method to unzip the file. There's also free softwares online that unzip files for you. No matter what product you've purchased from us, you'll have a clickable PDF included called How To that will take you to our help center, where you'll hopefully find a solution for any questions you have or problems you're experiencing. Depending on which product of ours you've purchased, there will be both a zipped and an unzipped file inside. The reason we included this is because you'll likely just want to use the zipped file when you're installing to Lightroom, as it saves you a step, but more on that later. Make sure you save your files to your computer. If you use a cloud-based system like Dropbox, make sure that the files are available offline and are actually present on your computer, as Lightroom won't be able to install any files that aren't offline and accessible. Now on to installation. I will forever be a broken record on this because it's so important, but make sure your Lightroom is up to date. You can check what version of Lightroom you have by selecting Help and then selecting System Info. Our AI presets, AI effects, and AI tools were designed for Lightroom Classic version 12 or later and Lightroom CC version 6 or later. If you are using an older version, the AI built into our products won't function correctly. To install your new product in Lightroom Classic, go to the Develop module. In the Presets panel on the left, click the plus symbol and hit Import Presets. Navigate to your new products. Here is where there are two options. You can go into the unzip folder and highlight every single file and then click Import. However, it is one step less to simply select the zipped folder and then press Import. This is helpful if you have purchased multiple products from us, and then you can select multiple zip files to import at once. Click Import and your AI presets, AI tools, or AI effects should appear immediately. You do not need to restart Lightroom, you can get started using them straight away. Something to note is that while our AI tools and AI effects aren't presets, they will function like presets in that they show up in the same panel as your presets and can be applied like presets with one click. To install to Lightroom CC, select an image, then navigate to the Edit panel on the right. There is a small button called Presets. Select that, then the three small dots. Select Import Presets. Like before, I can choose to import the zipped file or multiple zipped files at once. Sometimes some of our AI presets won't appear because they have custom profiles that Adobe categorizes as partially compatible. Don't worry, they will work on your images. If you see that there are any AI presets missing, click those three dots again and make sure that Hide Partially Compatible Presets is unselected. If your new product is for mobile editing, like our AI mobile presets or our AI mobile toolkits that come as a free bonus with our AI Magic toolkits, you'll install them to Lightroom CC the same way, and they will automatically sync to your mobile. You can check to make sure your syncing isn't paused by selecting the cloud in the top right-hand corner. Make sure you watch our next video on optimizing your Lightroom for the best performance of your AI presets, AI tools, or AI effects. Happy AI editing!